Ramshri Packaging. Products. Ramshri Packaging. Bank Colony, near Badigaon Chauraha, Morar, Gwalior. Nature of business: all kind of pouch packaging machine manufacturer. Name of director: Mr. Deshraj Pal. Manufacturing of all type of pouch packaging machines since 2000. Total experience more than 20 years. Message: we are actively committed to offering premium quality range of products within the minimum time and at genuine rates. We encompass an infrastructure which is advanced in technology and strongly equipped with the latest heavy machines and high-tech tools, along with other facilities to enable the workmen to showcase their liabilities and workmanship in the domain and successfully complete their tasks within the stipulated time periods. Products: multi-hued machines, collar type machines, pneumatic type scuff filler machines, FFS type cuff filler machines, flow wrapping machines, all type mixtures machines. Supply of all type pouch packaging machines spare parts.